Hello and welcome back to MBBS Council. In this video tutorial, we are going to see two new facilities which will save you a lot of time during the counseling process. After opening the app, you have to scroll down. The first one is the ebook which is written by respective state counselors. And the other one is the video courses. First, let's see about the ebook. When you open the menu, a list of books will be displayed for you in a PDF format, such as Beginner's Guide, MBBS Admission Guide, PG Admission Guide, and Counseling Guide for each state undergraduate counseling. For example, let me open Karnataka State Counseling UG ebook. Here you can learn about the different types of colleges, different types of quotas, and reservation, eligibility to apply for counseling, last year cutoff, and many more. Similarly, if we select the Videos menu, you can see video presentations for various counseling-related discussions. For example, let me select MBBS Admission Overview course. Here you can see we have made separate videos like what are the ways to get admission, All India Counseling Overview, State Counseling Overview, and many more which you can learn on the go. To access the videos and ebook, you have to be a premium subscriber. Or else, you can have access to these services by paying separately. And that's all about this video. See you soon in another video.